The Exercise Information System. This tutorial defines what EXIS is, whom the system is for, and how it can help industry stakeholders to plan, conduct, and evaluate HSEEP-compatible exercises. What is EXIS? The Transportation Security Administration's Exercise Information System, or EXIS, is an online exercise platform that guides government and industry users through the exercise planning process. The system provides a flexible framework to design, document, and evaluate exercises for all transportation modes. EXIS incorporates the principles of the Homeland Security Exercise and Evaluation Program, or HSEEP, into its design to ensure all users are following the common approach accepted by TSA. EXIS Resources. EXIS guides users through key exercise planning components with a user-friendly interface. Designed for users of all experience levels, the system guides the development, conduct, and evaluation of both discussion-based and operations-based exercises. Some features include transportation-specific objectives targeting a host of core capabilities, a comprehensive inventory of scenarios specific to each transportation mode, templates for documenting every step of the exercise process, including invitations, planning meetings, exercise briefings, and after-action reports, information sharing capabilities for more efficient distribution of materials among exercise team members and participants, and mechanisms to connect users and the larger transportation community to foster growing relationships. EXIS improves the security posture of all transportation modes by empowering security partners with the tools to design, document, analyze, and share exercise information while also enhancing transportation security and personnel. The system empowers all transportation organizations to conduct I-STEP exercises, regardless of their expertise or resources.
EXIS also serves as a historical repository of exercises.
EXIS users. EXIS is the only web-based platform used by TSA stakeholders in government and industry for design, development, and evaluation of exercises specifically tailored for transportation security. An excellent tool for partners of all sizes, EXIS reduces the costs required to conduct exercises by providing access to an extensive library of exercise resources designed with transportation security in mind. For smaller entities with limited resources, EXIS diminishes the administrative burden of developing exercise documents and allows organizations to improve security preparedness by leveraging shared best practices and lessons learned.
For larger entities, EXIS provides a dynamic virtual space for convening geographically separate planning team members and conducting planning meetings.
EXIS users not only benefit from access to its resources and the system's newly enhanced features, but also through a direct connection with TSA's Intermodal Security Training and Exercise Program, or I-STEP. What's next? What is the Intermodal Security Training and Exercise Program? This tutorial provided an overview of what EXIS is. The next tutorial introduces I-STEP and how it can help stakeholders with security training and exercises.